Both are really good jobs, weeding and watering the garden, but the weeding job has a specific biosecurity focus. Here's a weed worth knowing more about, orange hawkweed. Its roots creep around into the soil and they suck up all the nutrients, making it impossible for our native plants to grow in their own habitat. Its tiny, sticky seeds stick like glue to your boots and to your clothes and to your backpacks. So you become a vehicle, a transportation vehicle. That's why you should always wash your camping gear and your boots before you go exploring and then after you've been exploring, so you don't carry these things with you. It's a 5-minute simple biosecurity measure we can all do, each and every one of us, to reduce the amounts of pests being transported from one national park to another. Now, keeping these invasive weeds under control gives our possums and frogs and lots of the native plums and grasses that they eat a chance to survive, because the weeds compete for nutrients in the soil and those roots can destroy our native plants. Can you see the connection? And once you see a pygmy possum, you'll become a weed detective forever. Now, for some, their biosecurity training starts at birth. I want you to meet my new bestie, Sally. She's an official Biosecurity National Park sniffer dog. Now, how it works is when Sally's sensitive sniffer sniffs out the hawkweed, she drops her nose on the spot. Here's the kicker. She's also wearing a National Parks vest with a GPS installed on it. The GPS marks the spot, and once that information is collected, biosecurity officers then create a map with all of Sally's points on the map, and they can go there, remove the weeds, and drones fly above to monitor the progress. How good is that?